Alright, here we go. Got the Winchester 44 mag 240 grain jacketed soft point. Good for deer and beer. Bear. Beer. Go get them, cowboy. But there we go. What we're going to do is a water expansion at 100 yards through the CVA Hunter and give y'all an idea what these bullets are looking like when they are impacting at 100 yards. And do that, see what their retention is. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. And blew out the base of it. And we got, hopefully we got the bullet that it didn't run on us. Let's see what we got. I do believe we got a runner. We got the back hole that went through all 3 pair of jeans. Yeah, I mean it kept trucking. Kept trucking. So that's some Winchesters. That gives you a little idea on the penetration power of the Winchesters. Is that after hitting the water jug and expanding, it still went through 3 folded up pair of jeans and a 2x6 in the back and kept going. That is a bullet that is on a mission. Unless it's underneath. That's the bullet I hit low because when I was shooting, I forgot that these were shooting low compared to what the rifle sighted in on, and that's what split all this up right here, right there. That was from a different test, but wham! That's what we got. We'll take a look at that one though at the table. But there you go. So the Winchester 44 Magnum. Jacketed soft points. He's a home run. It's out the park. Alright, here we go. A little bit of bonus footage for y'all. Tried doing the water expansion with the Remington. Jacketed soft points, 240 grains at 100 yards. As y'all seen, it has massive penetration capabilities. It hit the water, expanded, went through 3 pairs of folded jeans and a 2x6 behind it and kept going. It actually drew the denim through the 2x6 as it was going through, so that was interesting. But this was the first shot because I hit my board. I forgot that these shot low compared to what it was, what that rifle sighted in on the Fiachis. So we do have this to look at, which this is hitting basically the long length portion of a 2x6. Turned it into shrapnel. Case separation, almost an inch. And that actually would be like that. The lead, 3/4 of an inch. And out of 240 grains, what do we have left? Out of 240, we got 188.7, which for hitting a board and running the length of the board, that is not bad at all for being as gnarly as it is. Again, these are the Remington jacketed soft points, 240 grain. Not a bad bullet. Not a bad bullet at all. Thanks for watching.